Container Gardening from the UCCE Master Gardener Program of Riverside County. Master Gardeners. The University of California Cooperative Extension UCCE Master Gardener Program, MGP, is an educational program designed to teach and effectively extend information to address home gardening and non-commercial horticulture needs in California. UCCE is the outreach arm of UC's Division of Agriculture and Natural Resources, ANR. Master Gardener volunteers, MG volunteers, promote the application of basic environmentally appropriate horticultural practices through UCCE organized educational programs that transfer research-based knowledge and information. From the UCCE Master Gardener Program of Riverside County. Master Gardener logo, University of California Cooperative Extension.
Hi, I'm with Riverside County Master Gardeners. My name is Gail Bell, and we're here today to talk about container gardening. Why plant in containers? Well, some of the reasons you would want to plant in a container is that you don't have a big garden to plant in, or you want some beautiful flowers up by your front door. So these containers can go on a patio, a balcony, anywhere. What we do need to be aware of is what our plant needs. Does it need to be in the sun or the shade? So let's talk about our actual containers. This is a 12-inch plastic container. This that we're going to be putting snap peas in, this is a 24-inch molded foam insulated container, and we're actually going to grow a salsa garden. So we have this tomato here, but the tomato needs a lot of room for its roots, and it is going to grow quite big. Also in the salsa garden, we're going to have a jalapeno and some cilantro. Now the cilantro we could have planted in a smaller container because its roots do not need as much, but it'll do fine in here. Here's a clay container that is deep and will accommodate the roots of this zucchini plant. But you can plant in all different containers, and this one is a bag of potting soil that we have put holes in because that's part of the needs of each plant, is to have drainage. Let's plant our snap pea in this container. All right, we have 4 snap peas in here, so we are going to gently take them apart. All right, so let's go ahead and space these out, and we're going to plant each one. We gently take them apart. So the roots go with the plant. All right. Some of the things that we need to be aware of as we are putting plants in containers is that we have a really good potting mix. We have drainage, and we're putting the plant either in the sunshine or shade, whatever it needs. So we have these 4 plants in here, and we have these bamboo sticks that we've tied up at the top to actually make a teepee. And because these peas, these snap peas, are going to need something to grow up, and they will actually attach themselves and grow up this little teepee we've built. So let's kind of review a little bit. We've got great containers here, but you can use almost anything. We just need to make sure that we have drainage, good soil, and once we've planted them, that we come back in 2 to 4 weeks and fertilize, because as you water, the fertilizer will drain out. So thanks for planting with us today, and I hope you enjoy container gardening.
Gardening questions? Email or call the UCCE Master Gardeners of Riverside County. Email helpline anrmg Riverside at ucanr.edu. Telephone helpline 951 683 6491, extension 232 or 231, or visit the Riverside Master Gardeners website.